Hello guys, a few days ago Vivo launched their S15 series that including the Vivo S15 and S15 Pro, which looks pretty cool, stylish with many attractive features. Recently Vivo launched their many flagship series with impressive camera module and features. If you want to know about those flagship series, check out my YouTube channel. I already made an explain video about those flagship. So let's get into this. Vivo S15 Pro has a boxy design which comes with a plastic bag with a rough texture which helps perfectly grip aluminum frame with a camera bump on the front side. The phone has a 6.5-inch AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate using Samsung E5 emissive material with 1080p by 2376 pixel resolution. It is very bright, peaking at 1500 nits and promises perfect color calibration from the factory plus HDR10 plus support. Also with under display fingerprint sensor on the screen, there is a punch-hole selfie camera shooter which contains 32 megapixel f2.5 aperture wide HDR 1080p at 30 fps video resolution. On the back side with a triple rear camera setup, it including a 64 megapixel Sony IMX766V main lens which is exclusively customized for Vivo f1.9 aperture 24mm wide PDF. Also the main camera has optical image stabilization. Next is the 12 megapixel ultra wide angle f2.2 aperture 16mm 116 ultra wide degree and 2 megapixel depth sensor f2.4 aperture with HDR panorama LED flashlight, 4K at 30 fps 1080p at 30 fps video resolution. Coming to the specification, the Vivo S15 Pro is powered by the Vivo's first MediaTek Dimensity 81000, which is paired with what Vivo calls a gaming grade cooling system that drops the chipset temperature by 1 to 2 centigrade. There is also addition chip, the gaming graphics code Pro, to help out the GPU to run games at constant frame rate. There are three variants such as 8GB 128GB, 8GB 256GB and 12GB and 256GB storage option with Android 12 Origin OS Ocean. Coming to the battery section, it has 4500 mAh battery with 80 watts fast charging support. It can charge 70% in 18 minutes and 100% in 35 minutes. Vivo S15 Pro comes in three color: midsummer blue, black, gold color. The S15 Pro price is 3399 yuan for 8GB and 256GB and 3699 yuan for 12GB and 256GB. Also here are the details by Tena company. It's pretty good device, nice camera, decent processor. Overall it is worth it for gaming and photography at this price point. What's your opinion? Comment down below. That's all for now. Like, share and subscribe. Really appreciate each one of you who subscribe. Keep doing that. See you in the next video. Peace out.